So in this video we're gonna see how to do an oil change on this Peugeot 107, and at the end we're gonna see if we can register the oil change. Obviously you're gonna need the oil filter and 3.5 liters of oil. Usually this engine will take 3.1 liters together with the filter, but the best is to have 3.5 or even 4 liters, and the rest of it you can keep it in your car for later if you need to add more. In the engine bay we've got here the oil cap and the dipstick. The oil filter can be seen from here, so if you have a look there it is. So we're gonna get access to it from under the car. So the next step is to safely lift the car and place it on jack stands. I'm gonna place this old starter here. This is just to prevent the car rolling back. Make sure you pull the handbrake and put the car in first gear. And if you look here right in the middle, it's the oil pan. We've got here the drain bolt and the oil filter. We're gonna need a 14mm for the drain bolt. Okay, the drain bolt comes out. Alright, so the filter will come out as well. Now let's drain the oil. Now just snug the drain bolt. On the oil filter you've got some instructions. You have to fill up the filter with oil, then tighten it back there. Then you need to add the oil, check the oil level, start the car and check the oil level again. So let's just do that. Alright, so I already added 3 bottles. So the level needs to be in between those 2 points. So it looks like we've got more oil than we should, but that's not possible because I added only 3 bottles. I'm gonna start the engine, check the oil level again. Okay, so now let's connect the scan tool. The OBD2 port is right under the steering wheel. Now let's turn the key in the second position. Maintenance, let's do oil reset, start. There should be Peugeot manual reset 107 2005 2012. Okay, so here you get the instructions. However, you can do as well auto reset. There is no 107 here, so you can only do this manual because this car is not listed on the auto. Okay, so it looks like I will have to do this reset when the oil change warning light will come on. If you want, check out the playlist with more videos I made about this car. As usual, take care, drive safe and have a nice day.